Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And today discuss the commonly used tools for total quality management. And basically this is the under the subject of quality and reliability engineering, and also this is my lesson number 23. And commonly used the total quality management tool are, and basically the few tools are available in our the total quality management tools, and basically the few tools are used for this the commonly, and that like the popularly used, and in other in the true nature of the preventing rather than curing problems, and some of the most popular used total quality management tools are used, and that like the checklist, and also the fishbone diagrams, histogram charts, the Pareto diagrams, the PDCA cycles with the total quality management is built around, and also the process flow charts also will be here, and the process control charts is the available, and we have to discuss according during to this type of total quality management tools are the later, and first is discussed according to this the checklist. And basically the checklist is the very much important tools of the total quality management tools. Basically the checklist is required for the each and every industry, and just like the higher managements, and also the lower managements, all things, and this will be required during to this the checklist. Just like the you have to checking your the list, the which type of job you have to done, and the which type of job are the pending of this systems, and each and every day, and also the each and every times you have to the checking your the details, and that's like the this is concentrate according to this the checklist. And basically the each and every day, and in our daily life we can be used during our the checklist, and which type of job is done this today, and also the which type of job is pending in the today for this the tomorrow, and this is also concentrate according to your the checklist is called, and during toward the each and every industry for an each and every day for required during to this the different type of checklist. And sometimes you can see that during here the create an unlimited number of checklist, or and the sub task also will be here. Basically the you have to given a task in the in your the lower management, like your subordinate, you have to given task, and then if this task is not complete, or this will be complete, this is the required for this this is the checking this, and you have to check this type of jobs, and you have to given to your the subordinates, and also given to this the task to these are subordinates, and also the during to your the employees, and all things you have to require for this the check. And another things, the quickly get started by choosing from the thousands of pre-made checklist templates, and during to your the required for this the thousand of pre-made checklist templates also will be here. This is the which you have to what the choose the which things you have to use during to your the checklist, and also the easily synchronize the with your online free checklist also will be here. Basically the you have to online checklist also will be concentrated, and also you have to given the each and every employers the this type of job you have to done, and also you have to the upload your the systems, and also you have to access from your rooms, and also your homes, and all times you can be used during checking during to this the online procedures, and also the this checklist free checklist.com's accounts to access, and other devices, and from your desktop laptop also used for this the during to this the checklist. And another things, the during to these procedures, the use during our the different corporate world, and corporate what you have to use during to this type of this way. And another things, your the local management, like the small scale industry, and then a few times we can see that there is the not online checking procedures will be done, then this will be checking the manually each and every day, and also this will be listed by the this is concentrated according to this the checklist. And another things, the manage your task, and the check mark importance, and the remembers repeat the task notes drag, and also the drop to recorders also will be required during to your the different type of task also will be here. And basically the all times you have to concentrate according to your the manage your task. That's like the you have to complete your task, and again the you have to check this this is the check, and also required for this the marking. And suppose you have to checking the on the completed job, and you have to given the on marks, and these marks will be coincide, and this will be known your the higher management that this is the this check marks also will be given, that like that this is the done. And that basically this is concentrate your the checklist and the on procedures. And another the you have to give into this the reminders, and the which will be done this job, or the your the next or the today tomorrow you have to given this delivery, and you have to completed this will be given to this the reminders. And also sometimes we have to given this the repeated task also will be supplied to this the lower subordinates, that like or the employers, and also the employees given the different tasks from the employers. And these things also will be concentrate according to this the repeated task is the given. Another the task notes also will be required, the which persons will be taken this type of job, and also the this will be this can be completed or not, and this is things also will be concentrate according to this the task notes will be required. This will be maintained this task notes, and also this is the follow each and every day, and also this will be phone calls also will be there, this is the done or not, and this is the recorders also will be here. And the share your workloads, the you have to always the share your workloads during your the subordinates, and also the sometimes you have to send during your the friends. And sometimes you have to distribute our the workloads the like or the family, and also the co-workers by the easily inviting them, and the assigning individual tasks also will be shared during your the checklist. And also the end of the work day, the you have to few checklist also will be concentrate according to the each and every working day. You have to the day of this work you have to review your the checklist, and also the what will be do during to your the work list also will be you have to seen. And the first you have to review the email inbox, and the, basically our the corporate friends also will be seen the review, and the email inbox will be seen each and every day, the which type of mail will be come, and also that this will be checking that there is the no task will be given from this the higher management or the senior boss. This is the each and everything so you have to seen just like that the mailbox. And another things you can see sometimes we have to send different mails will be come from the or the vendors, suppliers, and also the orders will be taken from our the company. All things you have to record for this the review on your inbox email. And another things the check outstanding voice mails also will be record the checking the each and every day. And send new leads to sales manager. And sometimes you can see during our the production industry also required for this the leads will be given during to this the sales manager. And this leads will be comes from this company, and also this will be and this customers you have to given to this the supplies, and also given to this the reply to from this the sales manager. And another things the review schedules for tomorrow will be required, and the today will be done this type of job, and also we have to concentrate according to this the tomorrow will be done the which type of job, and also you have to record for the on schedule. And this schedule also will be reviewed during to the checklist. And also the another not work or assigned job will be taken during to this the tomorrow. This is the taken during to this the checklist. And another the review or to do list for tomorrow. And this is the another important things for this the to do list for the tomorrow is required for the this is the is and everything also will be concerned the is end of the work day checklist is here. And another things is the fishbone diagram. The basically the fishbone diagram is the another important tools. This is the commonly used for the different total for this the total quality management, and also the different industry also will be used during to this the fishbone diagram. Basically the fishbone diagram is come the different process, people, place, the product, and also the promotions, physical evidence, the price, the all things is the comes under like a fishbone, and that like a given a diagram, and this is called the fishbone diagram. And this fishbone diagram is given, the Isika will be given to this the fishbone diagram, and basically the process will be done, and this is the this process is completed during to the different techniques, and the different process will be done during to the lower these systems. And also the physical and another things will be concentrated, the few people that like the suppliers and or the customers, and also the employers also will be concentrated according to this and also the worker also will be involvement according to the people, and place that like your the different in the according to your the right place, and also you have to pushing to the right works during to the place is used, and the product also that like the sub procurements, and also the sub process also procurement procedures also will be done during to this the product, and that like your the product will be outcomes that like your company's outcome in your product, that like this is concentrated according to your the product. And also you have to fixation of your the product price, the which price you have to given when you have to sell your product, like your the customer is taken your the product, like the which type of this price is the satisfied with the customers, or this is the excess price. This is the all things will be concerned according to your the fishbone diagrams. And also sometimes we can see during to your the promotions will be recorded, like the technical promotions, and sometimes we have to concentrate according toward the different workers also will be promoted to this another things, and also your product also will be recorded for this the promotion, that like the good type of products you have to produce during the, and also this is the basically used according to the fishbone diagrams. And physical evidence also will be recorded for this when you have to measure in your product quality, and also this is the concentrate according to this the physical evidence is given. And finally the problem final outcomes also will be here. And basically the product is the some problems, and also the outcomes, this is the comes from this the fishbone diagrams, and this is the one of the common total quality management tool. And another thing is concentrated according to this the histogram. And basically the histogram is the another important tool is here, and the histogram is an approximate representations of the distribution of numerical data, and your numerical data is the represented, and also that this will be required for the distributions, and either you cannot be modifications, it cannot be concern your the this data, this product will be not is the good quality, and also this is the bad quality, and also your customer satisfaction, the all things you have to concern according to your the histogram, and also that this data will be put on this the histogram. And also you have to how the parts of this histogram, and also how you have to concern this the histogram is the creating. Basically the histogram chart is in Excel in classified or the made of 5 parts also will be here. Basically the one is required for this the title. This title describe the informations about the histogram. Basically the title is given this information, the which type of the diagram you have to plotting on this Excel sheets, and also the which type of parameters is used during the all things is concentrated according to this the title of the this all things is the describe about to this the histogram. And another things, the x-axis. The x-axis is the grouped intervals that shows the scale of values in which the measurement lies. And basically the which type of measurement is used, and like the x-axis is the grouped intervals that is the shows the scales values in which the measurement lies or is concentrated according to the histograms. And another is the y-axis. The y-axis is the scale that shows the number of times that the values occur within the interval sets is created. This is concentrated according to this the y-axis. And like the x-axis and y-axis, the both are used during to this the one is the measuring value is lies on this the x-axis, and the value occurred, that like the another parameter is concentrated according to this the within the time interval sets. This is the y-axis is considered. And this x-axis and y-axis, this is the concentrate according to this the bar charts is used. This is the the bars. These parameters has a height and width is concentrated. That's like the which height is used and the which is the width is used. That's like the different type of software also will be used. Just like the grapher, Excel sheets, and another things also will be used during to this type of bars also will be created. And this parameter has a height and width is here. The height of the bar shows the number of times that the values, a number of times that is the values will be given. Just like the smaller or the larger, this is will be putting according to your the bar diagram. And another things is used during to your the legend, and this provides the additional informations about this histogram. Basically, this is the given the what is the additional information. That is the which type of legend is used. That is the thickness is what. This is the which is the another inside or outside. The all things also will be given during to your the legend. And basically the during the grapher also the very easily draw the histogram diagram, also the bar chart, the all things will be concentrated according to the graphers, and also this is the legend will be used during to the parts of histograms. And another things the Pareto diagram. Basically, the Pareto diagram is considered according to this is the Pareto chart also, and these Pareto charts will be rectified from this the higher to this the lower value. Or this the basically the broken lines is counted here during to this the Pareto diagrams. You have to count of this the errors will be calculated during to your the Pareto diagrams. The 80% causes will be comes from this the 80% effect is come from this the 20% causes. And basically you can see the broken lines, the spelling error, and the missing missing title tags also will be here. The missing descriptions tags also will be given during to this the Pareto diagrams. And also the broken image, you can see the script errors also will be found. The correct uses of headings also will be here. And also the missing ALT tags also will be here to the browser compatibility, and also the security warning also is given during your the Pareto diagrams. And creating a Pareto diagrams, how we have to create the Pareto diagrams. The creating Pareto diagram in the LibreOffice calcs also will be here during to the step on the sort the data. Basically, the first is required for this the sort the data, and also mark all rows from the first to the list to the last, and at the data tab click on the sort options also will be here. Basically, the creating Pareto diagrams, you have to first sort the data and mark all rows from this the first of the first to the last, and at the data tab clicks on the sort options also will be here. And another thing is here the step 2, the create the cumulative percentage value. Cumulative percentage value also will be here during to this the step 2 to calculate the cumulative percentage percent of the total. You will needs on also will be here during to this the step 2. And another thing is the step 3, the create the Pareto diagrams. And basically this will be the cumulative percentage values also will be found, and also this will be calculated from the cumulative percentage. And another the create the Pareto diagram to create the chart, go to insert tab, and then click of this the chart options also will be found. And another things the this number 4, the fine tune the charts. The range of this secondary axis and also y axis is set 0 to 120 is needed to be put up to the 100, and like the double also will be here. This is the lower parts, and the one is the 100, another is the 120 also will be concentrated here. And next will be discussed during to this the PDCA cycle. That like the PDCA cycle is concentrated according to this the plan, do, check, and act procedures. Basically, this is the short form of the PDCA cycle. Like the first you have to concentrate according to this the plan, and also this is the do this plan, and also this will be the check, and again you have to acting on this the this plan. This is considered according to this the PDCA cycle. And the first of things, the problem statements and the lean value proposals, problem statements is required. And basically the problem, the graphs, the situation, graph the situations is called the first is concentrate according to according to the problem statement. Problem statement is the first thing is here. The you have to give into the problem statements, and another thing is concentrate according to the lean value propositions also will be recorded. The during to this the value of given, this is the lean value, and also this is the proportions, and the socializations also will be required during to this the PDCA cycles, and also the evaluator speech also is concentrated according to this the PDCA cycle, and also current state map will be required, and current state map will be required, and also the plan is given during to the future step map. During to this the plan is given, the like the future step map is given, the which will be done during to this the future steps, that like the you what will be standing at that points, and also the which type of plan will be done during to this condition, that like the future steps maps also will be here. And another thing is the goal and action plan is required, that's like the what is your goal, and the which type of products you have to produce, and also the which is the accuracy points will be set in your the product quality, and all these things also will be concentrated according to your the goal and action plans. And another is the socializations. And suppose your the product is produced, then like the this what is the social impact also will be in your products, and then like the this is the concentrate according to the socialization, that likes the your the plan is here that this is the this type of product will be used in our the social beings, and also this is the help toward the society, and this is the things is concentrated according to the socialization. And another the do this, this will be major results will be required, which is the result is come, and also this is the required for this the major results will be come during to this do, and the visual management also will be there, and also your the management is the visual management is comes, and also the required for this the problem solving. Your the problem solving, that like the which type of problem is arise during to your the product will be produced, and just like your required for this the solving your problems. And another thing is the conduct review. You have to find some review will see here, and also the this conducted during to this the review will be comes from this the customers, and this will be essential the which type of travel will be comes in your products, and also you have to given to this the concentrate according to your the review, that like the product conducts reviews, and the transitions of continuous, and this is the continuous transitions will be come out, that is like the transitions of the to continuous also will be continuous improvement is given, that like your product is always concentrate according to your the improvement of products, and also the product quality, the all things you have to continuous process, and also the each and every suppose the first lots you have to produce the these products, and also second lots you have to reduce your the damage, and also the your internal hemorrhage, and also the operating system tools will be good. This is the concentrate according to your the continuous improvements, and the socializations also will be here during when you have to do the job. And another things is here during to this the check, and basically the performance to plan, and the performance to the plan, and this will be concentrate according to the checking these materials during to this the performance to plan. Suppose your the performance is the very good, then your plan will be success, and also the performance is the slightly poor, that like you have to concentrate your the improvement of the quality of your products, and also this will be checking properly, that like the your performance to plan also will be properly, and that like the capture learning, and sometimes you have to require the during to this the few pure knowledge also will be required, and also this will be required for this the capturing, and the reinforced PDCA discipline also will be maintained. And another things also will be act also is concentrate, and identify systematics identify the all things. You have to systematic way, you have to identify this the problem. Then you have to concern according to this identify systematic problem, the identify the cultural barriers also will be here. Cultural barriers you have to given the which type of difficulties also will be here, and also the establish next gap, and establish that will be the next gap also will be here, the which is the problem, and also the select the next improvement projects also will be here. That's like the you have to improve your the next project. There is the no difficulties is come out from the procedures. And another things is here the this is the also discussed according to this the PDCA cycle. And again the process flow chart. The process flow chart is the another common tool is used according to this the total quality management. And basically a flow chart is a type of diagram that represent of workflow process. Basically this is the process flow charts is used during the which type of process is used during the production of produced. Then this will be required for this the flow chart. And the flow chart, that means that you have to given a chart, and also the this through this the line diagrams, and also the this is the different blocks will be given during the flow of this your material, the which way this is the flow the one solidification procedure. This and every process also required for this the flow charts, and also this is the diagram represent for the workflow or the process. And another things, a flow charts can also be defined as a diagrammatic representations of an algorithm, a step-by-step approach to solving a task. The flowchart shows the steps as boxes of various kinds, and they are ordered by connecting the boxes with arrows. And another things is here during to this diagrammatic representation stated as solution model to give and problems. The flowcharts are used in analyzing, designing, documenting, or managing a process or a program in various fields also will be here. And basically this will be given a flowchart diagrams that like the lamp does not work, doesn't work also will be here. The first you can see the lamp plugs in, and lamp plugged in, and also the bulb blowed out. First is taken is the lamp plugged in, and also the bulb burned out also is here. And again is the repair lamp also will be placed, and you can see the lamp plugged in, then is the plug-in lamp, and also the replaced bulb also will be here. And also this will be concentrated according to this the repair lamp. And also the process control chart is the another important tools for use as a process control chart. That like the process control chart is the basically a few procedures will be concentrated that shows the appropriate control chart for your data. And your data is available, then you have to concentrate according to your the on control chart will be the choose for the appropriate data. And another things that determine the appropriate time periods for collecting and the plotting data. And also you have to determine the appropriate timetables, time periods. And another things, the collecting the data constructs your chart and analyze the data. And basically your so many data is available in the different type of industry, and what is your production date, what is your the defect is arise, and what is the sampling will be done during the out of 10 the one sample will be pick up. And then the is and everything you have to given the data is available in the manufacturing units. And similarly, and another the this will be the product will be dispersed to this the customers, and also this customers is given some feedback the which type of defect is comes, and which type of this type of satisfaction level is the 80%, 90%. All things you have to control by this the different data is available in the management. So like, and this data will be required for this the connected for this the control chart. Like the during to this the analyze of this the data, this data is the correct or also the this is the wrong, and also how you have to simulate this the control your the data and control your charts. For this the look for out of the control signals on the control charts also will be here. Now when on is identified, marks it on the charts also will be here, and a single point outside the control limit is required during to this. The single point outside also is here during to your the process control charts. And the next classes discuss the approach and deployment of tools for quality planning. Okay, thank you students.